We've got a few things going on here. We've got a big triangle around the outside, we've got a small triangle here, we've even got a quadrilateral going on, and we've got these arrows which indicate parallel lines. I'm trying to work out all the missing angles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with what I think is the easiest angle to find, and that is A, because they're just on a straight line here. So A is going to be 180, because that is the angle on a straight line, minus 70, and that's going to give me 110. So I'm just going to add that on. All right, what else can we find? Well, I think I'm going to use this angle fact here because I've now got my triangle. So 70 plus 60 give me the angles in part of the triangle, and I get 130. So then it must be this angle that here. I know we don't actually want to find this one, but it's going to be useful. It's going to be 180 minus 130, which is 50. So I'm just going to add that on there. And that means that D is then going to be 118 minus 50, and we get back to that 130 from before. Okay, what next? I think now, there's no way of doing this question without using the parallel lines that's going on. So we've got to try and spot what to do. Is there an F angle? Is there a Z angle? Is there a C angle? These are different ones we can look at. You're not actually meant to call them that, but that's, that can be useful for naming. You can see I've got this F here, and these two bits make up the parallel lines. So that actually tells me that this and this are exactly the same, 70 degrees. So B is 70. The other way you could have done this would be to look at the C and see that they are co-interior angles and out to 180. So that would also give you the 70. And then we're basically there. You can either use the quadrilateral, then that adds up to 360, or probably slightly easier is to use this angle, and this angle again in the triangle. So it's going to be 70 plus 60, which is again 130, and we're going to get another 50 going on. So C is 50. It's actually going to be, you can also see actually that we could have drawn an F here and got that it was 50 from that. So lots of different ways of finding the answers, but those are the answers. Well done if you got them.